everyone, welcome back to Lithu's nail art design. Let's learn 5 different easy nail art design. Our first design is simple ghost nail art. For doing this design, I have chosen black color as the base coat so that it will complement our design. When you apply base coat, try to apply at least 2 coats. Take some little amount of white polish in the dotting tool and simply make a boom. Let's start shaping the ghost. A small round head, a wavy bottom edge like they are floating in the air. Follow the same step as shown in this video. If you have any doubt about this nail art, don't forget to ask in the comments. Now for the detailing, draw 2 tiny eyes and a nose, small round, a dark dot using a black polish. Don't forget to hit the like button. Now the look is complete. Next move on to the next nail design. Our next nail art is super quick and super easy. Place 3 nail polish as shown in this video. I have placed dark pink and light pink on the sides, and in the middle I have applied lavender color for doing this nail art. This nail art is the most quick and easy nail art ever. You guys don't need any special tools for doing this nail art. Using a toothpick, do the same thing as I am doing in this video. If you like this look, let's move on to a heart nail art design. First place 2 small dots close to each other, then gently pull the dot downwards into a point and slowly connect them to form a heart shape. Here comes our fourth design using dots. First place big dots in a curved structure and apply few dots in the right side. While seeing this nail art, we may think it's the hardest nail art, but it's the quick and easiest nail art that we can do with the help of a dotting tool. This design proves that we can create a plenty of design using just 2 nail polishes. Next is the final nail design. Now comment the name of this design in the comment section. This design is something special. We are bringing a tiny piece of nature to our fingers. Start by drawing a soft curved line. This will be the stem. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Nature isn't either. Next, add small leaves along the stem, just tiny strokes pointing outwards. Keep the pressure light so that they look soft and natural. It is best to use polish from the cap of it so that we don't waste our products. I hope you found it relaxing and inspiring. This is one of my favorite designs because it's easy but looks so artistic.